Alright, let's get real about something everyone in tech is talking about. AI tools like GitHub Copilot are writing up to 40% of code in some projects. That's wild, right? So here's the question. If machines are cranking out nearly half the code, why are React developer job postings up by 29% in 2024? Yeah, I pulled the data myself. Over 10,000 job ads. Here's what's actually happening. Sure, Copilot can auto-complete your for loops and spit out boilerplate, but companies aren't just hiring robots to build their sites and apps. They want people who can solve real-world problems, communicate with teams, and, let's be honest, fix stuff when AI gets it wrong. Plus, React is evolving. New features, new patterns, more integration with back-end and AI tools. Teams want devs who don't just know React, but can think beyond the docs, who can architect, debug, and adapt when things get weird. And here's the kicker, AI is making code easier to write, so companies are starting even more projects. More projects means, you guessed it, more jobs. So, yeah, AI is a game changer, but it's not replacing sharp, creative front-end minds anytime soon. The future? It's about skills, not just syntax. Are you ready?